Hello everyone, welcome to GlitchSip, and in this video, I'm going to show you how we can use the enchantment, or better said, the enchant command inside Minecraft. Java and Bedrock basically work in the same way. What we're going to have to do is something really very simple. We're going to have to select the item, or in this case, the object. For example, the pickaxe or the sword. I'm going to use the pickaxe first, and we're going to have to type enchant in the chat. We type enchant, and what we're going to have to do is select our character. In this case, we're going to select ourselves. And now we're going to have to enter the enchantment. For example, fortune. We click here, and as you can see, in this case, the pickaxe now has fortune. Since we didn't set the fortune level we wanted, what fortune did we want? For example, fortune 2, 3, or 4, it ended up giving us fortune 1. We can do the same thing with a sword. We open the chat again, type enchant, select ourselves, and then, for example, in this case, fire aspect. And as you can see, the enchantment has also been applied, which would be the fire aspect enchantment. As you can see, this is something really easy to do, and it can be done with all the items that can be enchanted inside the game. And well, that would be all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one here on GlitchSep.